What's up, guys? 3/4 of the surfactant market by tons is in some sort of cleaning. Half of the market is in household cleaning, and most of that is in laundry. And despite the reputation of laundry as being a low price, high volume market, it is certainly not boring, as we say in our Surfactant Business Essentials course. And there are 3 not boring things about the laundry market. The first is cold water wash. Most of you should know that when it comes to the product carbon footprint of the laundry process, the biggest impact is not in the bottle, is not in the ingredients in the bottle. If you've solved an issue of carbon footprint around ingredients and biorenewability of ingredients, that's great. But the biggest impact that you can have on the product carbon footprint of the whole thing is what happens in the washing machine. The heating of the water and the swirling of those clothes around in the water to affect the cleaning. That's why cold water wash products are so important. Anything you can do as a surfactant supplier to bring an ingredient to the table to support performance at lower and lower temperatures is going to be hugely valuable to those consumer product companies. So, first thing, cold water wash. Second thing, water itself. There's a lot of water used in the laundry process. If you're in North America, you'll get in your SUV, in your minivan, drive to the supermarket and bring back laundry detergent, which itself is mostly water, when all the time you have hot and cold running water in your house. To the extent that you can bring down or eliminate the water content in laundry detergent formulations, you're making a huge impact on consumer convenience and again on carbon footprint. And so efforts like the most recent from Procter & Gamble, the Tide Evo product, are hugely important. It's eliminated water altogether, and in fact, most of the packaging to bring you sheets, little tablets there of pure ingredient for the laundry process. The third thing that is not boring about laundry is regulations. I didn't say it was positive, I said it wasn't boring. New York City in February has introduced a bill which would ban the sale of pods for dishwash and laundry applications that contain PVA, polyvinyl alcohol. The argument here is that PVA is plastic and that plastic gets into the waterways. I won't opine on the wisdom or the merits of this regulation. I'll point out that 22% today in North America of laundry detergent is sold in the pod format. So this is a big deal. Again, if you're a supplier and you can bring ingredients to bear that address energy consumption, water use, and regulations for this laundry market, you're going to be hugely valuable to the folks that use surfactants in this area. And so I hope that this has been interesting, and I look forward very much to talking with you next time.